Hi CMS, welcome to the session on a CMA CPA CFA trainer. Now in this session we'll discuss about what exactly the CMA part 1 is. As you know that Certified Management Accountancy CMA has two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is about financial planning, performance and analytics, and part 2 concentrates on strategic financial management. So the title of CMA part 2 is Strategic Financial Management. Part 1 or part 2, whatever the exam you write, the exam duration is of 4 hours, in which you will have 100 multiple choice questions and followed by 2 case-based questions. Essays are dropped now. The September-October window onwards, there is a mandatory requirement of case-based questions. No more essay questions. Part 1 focuses on costing, budgeting, performance analysis, financial statements, revenue recognition, internal controls, analytics, etc. So we have 6 sections in total in CMA part 1. Section A deals with the external financial reporting decisions, in which we discuss about the financial statements, like what is income statement, what is statement of equity, what is a balance sheet, what is statement of cash flows, revenue recognition from different types of industries. Then we discuss about the differences between IFRS and GAAP in certain treatment. Yeah, we discuss about short-term items like inventory, receivables, investments. We discuss about liabilities, current liabilities, okay, taxes, and we discuss about leases. Then in section B, planning, budgeting, and forecasting, we discuss about strategic management. We discuss about, strategic planning. We discuss about various, concepts in strategic management. Then we discuss about the forecasting, planning, budgeting. So very lengthy section. Yeah. Then performance management, where we have an analysis that what is the standard which we set or predetermined cost and revenues, and what are the actuals. Yeah. Is there any difference called variance? If there is a variance exists, whether it is favorable or unfavorable. Yeah. It's a favorable variance means our profit will increase. Unfavorable means it will, affect our profit. Next we have a lengthy section again, a cost accounting, where we discuss about what cost is, what is a cost accounting, the different, methods of costing, like job order costing, process costing, activity-based costing, life cycle costing. Then we discuss about overheads, overhead allocation methods. Yeah. Then we discuss about absorption costing, variable costing. So it's a numerical and theory related topic section. Then in section E and section F, we have theory topics, 100% theory topics. Section E talks about internal controls, where the company specific controls, system controls. Then section F is about the analytics, technology and analytics, where we discuss about business continuity planning, okay, cryptocurrency. We talk about various other factors that will affect our business, like analytics, like regression, trend analysis, etc. So in CMA exam, all the questions are level C type, where you need to have the comprehensive, application and analysis type questions. So all the questions from all the sections you can expect C type. So section A deals with the external financial reporting decisions, where our journey begins with what are the financial statements, who are the financial statement users. Yeah. Then financial statements, revenue recognition, Section B, planning, budgeting and forecasting, where we discuss about strategic planning, strategic management, various related topics on budgeting, etc. Yeah, we discuss about different types of budgets prepared, like a activity-based budget, project budget, yeah, flexible budget, static budget, zero-based budget, master budget, etc. Then we discuss about the theory topics on strategic planning, external, internal analysis, SWOT analysis, long-term mission goals, etc. Tactical alignment of the business operations. Then we discuss about planning models, various like BCG matrix, Porter's five forces model, best balance scorecard, etc. Then we discuss about variances here. We discuss about material variances, labor variances, overhead variances, sales variances. Then we discuss about responsibility accounting in a decentralized organizations, how the responsibility is decentralized and how we make managers responsible for that. Then we discuss about return on investment, residual income, how the residual income help the managers to cope up with the highly profitable in the units. Then we discuss about again balance scorecard with the KPIs. Right. Then section D talks about cost accounting. We start our journey with what is cost, costing, cost accountancy, methods of costing, etc. Internal control is completely theory, where we discuss about COSO framework in internal controls. Technology related to data governance, business continuity planning, various other contingency plans, then cryptocurrency. Then we'll have some kind of analytical technologies like regression. We have like, what is this? Trend analysis. Yeah. So the exam is of 4 hours, in which 100 multiple choice questions you need to attempt. And there will be 2 case-based questions which you need to complete in 1 hour. Get it carry forward to case-based questions, but not the other way.